always used to tell her, Venus, you take too many chances. You're too wild with people in the street. Something is going to happen to you. But that was Venus. She always took a chance. She always went into a stranger's cars. She always did what she wanted.
What's up, Earthlings? This is my 1989 holiday rambler. I bought this back in 2021, and this is the video of the before, and I'm gonna take you guys through the journey of me remodeling this thing. So enjoy.
What's up, guys? So I just bought an RV and I'm doing some renovations on it right now, but I kind of already started and I kind of want to just let you guys come through the whole process with me. So I'm just going to show you around, kind of show you what I've already done here. So right now I'm painting all the cabinetry. Here there was some mold, so I just tore it up and I'm just going to get some plywood. And then I'll put the flooring down, changing all the flooring. Disgusting, from the 90s. There was a giant table here. I do not need it, so I took it out, going to make a double kitchen. And then back here, I do not need this wardrobe, so this will be my new office space. Going back this way, I might remove the whole oven and just use like electrical stuff and call it good and just create more cabinet space. This is going to be coming down possibly. Might put a fireplace right here. One of like little electric ones. I don't know. I don't know how safe that is. And we took out that. That chair is now right there. So we're gonna make this a double living room. So one more seating area with this. If y'all have any tips, help.
Okay, so you know how like in weddings people do the little something new, something used, something borrowed? Well, this was kind of like the situation with the rental tools that I will be using through this entire rebuild I got from Home Depot. And that DeWalt drill you see right there to the right of me, I didn't have to charge it till 2 years later. Moral of the story is, you don't need any of these tools in your garage. You can just rent them. Now pleasantly watch me drill through this wall.
I'm scared. That was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I can't even make it straighter. Okay, I got it out. Okay. Look at all that space. Oh my god, like actually looking at this now, like, oh shit. Oh, that's a lot of space. I'm gonna put a bar right here. Okay, for reference, this is the kitchen. This was the dinette area. I tore up the floors for obvious reasons, and I need to know how to get this out because I need to replace the wood. I have no idea what to do. Is there a problem I'm looking at right now? feel like there's a big problem and that my water's not gonna work. Or the pump or whatever this is.
And yes, I am not wearing a mask through this entire build. And yes, I 100% regret it because I could not breathe for probably a year or two after.
I wanted to show y'all everything I got done yesterday. So I finished the counter. This will be a black sink eventually with gold. Put some stuff down there. I'm gonna put the cabinets back on and the drawers back in. Instead of putting the cabinets back on, I just got these little baskets from Ross, and I'm going to either attach them from the back or put like a little rope right here. I don't know yet, but I got 4 of those. I need to figure out how to take down this mirror because it's not coming, and I don't even want this wall. I'm extending my bathroom, but I painted the walls white and removed the wall. I don't know if I said that yet, but I'm about to remove this too. This is a hot water tank, and I need to remove the rest of this floor. So, looking good. Okay, so what I just did here is basically I hate this wardrobe, but I don't think it's the best idea to take out. Excuse me, I just did that all without a mask. So I'm gonna put a laundry hamper in here. It's gonna float down to the bottom here. And put a basket right here so I still have some space to set like my shoes and stuff. And then I'll hang my stuff up here. Okay, so this morning we are working on the floors. I pulled up most of this and I decided no, so I hired a carpenter and he is here to help me now. So, yay! Ah!
He ripped all that shit out.
Yeah.
And he did a really thin piece of plywood that's like an inch of it thick. And then he did his insulation and then he did his plywood on top of it.
Wouldn't the plywood get too hot though? Like if the muffler's right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so far we are insulating the floors. And then over here we have to go get a piece of sheet metal. We're just gonna like weld it to the steel that's already here. And then this isn't the wood we're using, but we got some in the back that we will put on the floors, and then I can tear all this nasty stuff up and put in the floors that I want. So almost done. And that's gonna be covered. It's a whole damn hole. That's where the water tank was. Yay. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. It's getting there, isn't it? So, he basically told me that.
Dang, okay. It's looking good. It looks good. Yeah. Yay. la la. You guys, I fell through this while doing this cabinet, so this is beautiful to me. Anyways, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. We all know what that used to look like. I'll put something right here later. By the way, all this is going white. I don't love the green. So, yeah, looking good.
At this point in the build, I'm kind of just grabbing things out of the way, moving them because the floor situation is finally complete. In the next coming videos, though, you guys will see me redo the floors, fully take a steak knife to my ceiling because water just starts pouring everywhere. But we do get to decorate, so I really hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.